I don't think I signed for this, my boys. I am not going down there. The Power Drill Massacre. This game is a genuine first-generation copy produced on behalf of and with the approval of Scenario LLC. This is the whole intro. Oh. Alright, chill. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Meek here, and welcome to Power Drill Massacre. Almost a puppet combo. Now, I know my absence has been quite a long fucking time, but I decided to come back. And to the people that think that I've not been trying to make videos with my boys, you guys understand. I probably try to make 4 damn videos in the last month. 4 videos for every week. So 1 week, 1 video, 2 weeks, 1 video 3 weeks, 1 video 4 weeks. That's 1 month. Somehow I didn't manage to do. It always had to be a problem with it. But anyway, welcome to finally a new episode of some. And welcome to Power Drill Massacre. Now, this is the first, by the way, the first ever puppy combo that we played on the channel. You know, the first puppy combo game, and we're gonna continue to play because these games are crazy, especially this one. The shit looped, especially this one, because this one is probably the scariest game that they ever made. Now, I don't know if that's true. They made some other bangers as well, but I guess we're about to find out. Anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the game. Puppet Combo presents.
No comment about.
Okay. So I guess it's a radio or something like that. We got some mountains. You know what I'm saying? Little sunset over there. Oh god. Okay. Got some things over here. I don't understand what he's saying, but I guess he's saying something about like a little show. Okay, they might be dead for real. He probably hit like a tree or something. They lost control, freaking tired. Jeff, are you okay? I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll go get help. What the freak just happened? This is the worst headache ever. But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out of the trunk. Oh, look at my boy Jeff. He done gone. Alright, hold up. So, by the way, these controls are gonna be kind of weird. So, okay. My flashlight. Pick it up. Let me just think for a second, because this is hey, chat. Let me tell you something, bro. This is a pretty freaking hard question. Should you pick up the flashlight? I mean, let me hold on. Let me think about it for a second. I mean, yeah. How else would you freaking want to see? It will shift your run. F is the thing. Okay, maybe this thing is on battery. Let me not use it now. What the that's how we start? Yeah, I did not. Designed by Benedetto Cocuza. Nice name, by the way, bro. Yeah. I don't know what's going on. Can I still see Jeff in the back? Damn, he... Hey, he done, man. I don't know if he gonna make it. I did saw like a house, some house, like I think, I'm not sure. How you guys doing, by the way, man? I miss y'all, man. A whole month, no videos. It's crazy stuff, man. But hey, we back on it. We We going back in strong. I mean, I hope. You know what I'm saying? It's never. God damn. If you fall, bro, you R.I.P. man. Megan 1994, 2015. Cause that's when this game was created. Okay, so how the fuck? Damn, she must be in some like mountain climbing sports or some damn thing like that because she climbed the thing out of this thing, bro. I said dang too many times. I'm sorry. And by the way, sorry for my lack of energy, but it's currently 11:45 p.m. Don't ask me why I'm playing puppet combo games at fucking midnight. I don't even know, bro. What in the hell was that? Is that someone over there? Hey, my boy. Hey, man, I need some help. You know, if you could give it to me, it would be really nice of you. Hold up, cause okay, these controllers are getting kind of out of hand. Let me see where this man is at. Where the fuck wasn't he just here? Or am I tripping? Yeah, I'm definitely tripping. Cause he was like right down here. Okay then. So that motherfucker was a ghost. Alright. I understand it. What's here? This door is open. Go inside. Well, how else would a creepy build? Man, how else would you want to get help? Okay. Put the flashlight out. What the hell was that? It's locked? For real, bro? Somebody locked me in. It must be that motherfucker outside. Okay. What the hell was that? Hello? Yo. Oh my god, bro. This thing too crazy. Hold up. My freaking face is itching. I don't think I signed for this, my boys. I am not going down there. What the
original recipe.
What the fuck was that? Oh fuck. Okay then, yo, I just started. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, I literally just got goosebumps. I literally have goosebumps on my damn body. What is that? 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 Looks like a key. Pick it up. Yeah. Got a key with okay, I didn't manage to read it. Guys, I'm sorry, this is too much. What the hell? I see something else. What's that? Looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Search continues for two missing campers in the Poco Mountains. Mason Sea charging a lorry somewhere along Long Island, New York has been missing. Since June 8th, their campsite and belongings has been located, but investigators have few leads. Police say there is no visible sign of a struggle, and this continues to be a risky mission. The rest is missing is up to August 1982, 5 years ago. Oh, this was in the 80s. Shoot. Guys, my heart. Oh boy. We just started. Hold up. This is too fucking much, bro. So there's basically a guy just down here just chilling, I guess, because I don't know what else to say. What's this? Upstairs? What the hell? What's that? Another newspaper article. Fine. Bocono, Washington, no chase of mission cameras 4th April 1985 since 1996. Records have been disappeared over 100 miles north of Pono. Quantum is the worst commissions issue. It can't be an odd likely experience. Accident. Wow. How the fuck does this help me? No, don't read this again. Exactly, because this does not really help me in any way. Bro, do you get like a weapon or something? What's that? It's another key. Pick it up, yeah. Got a key with green splatter. What? Green What the f- Wait, whoa. I try to run. I was trying to run past in front. What the hell was that before he came? Okay. Bro. I'm for real trying. I'm trying my hardest to understand what the hell am I supposed to do. Okay, so I gotta find... what the bro, I am more confused than anyone right now. So there's this motherfucker, right? So he... what the hell was that? What's this? What's this? Stairs? What is this? The door is locked. There are 3 locks with splotches of paint. Blue, green. Yo! We found 2 keys. So, oh, now I got it. I got it now. You gotta find 3 keys, right? And you gotta go to this door and get the fuck out. Oh my god. Well, that's gonna be a challenge for me. Oh, shit, this game is too stressful, bro. Oh, okay, hold up. Let me calm down. Because I don't remember. But this man could be in any corner. Okay, that's... what am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I? Oh, shoot. Oh, fuck. Bro, when he comes, when I literally hear the sound, my hands just... y'all see this, bro? Y'all see this thing? Jesus. This is the last try I'm giving it, bro. And the only problem is I forgot where the fuck those 2 keys were. So I remember that there was one somewhere in a bathroom. Small crack. So I remember there's one in a bathroom, but I forgot which bathroom. And that's a big problem. Hold up. So this was that. And then I went down here, right? I went down here. This is not right at all. So we have this. Guys, I'm... Jesus. What's going here? This is the fucking end. What's that? Like a key. With green. Bruh, I think they're fucking randomized. Oh no. Bruh, they're randomized. Where the hell am I going? Oh, I'm going. Okay, so that's upstairs. Let's go downstairs. Is this a good idea? My hands are wet. And they'll get that out of context. So okay, so this is downstairs. What's that? Let's pick it up. Blue splatter. Okay, that's 2 keys. And I think that means that the last key must be where the fuck am I going? Because there were 2 keys upstairs, now I'm downstairs. What the hell? Can I go back? Yeah, go back. Sorry if I'm breathing heavily, but my heart is pounding like 1,000,000 miles an hour right now. Not only that, I'm having fucking chest pain. My palms are sweaty, not mom spaghetti, no Five Nights at Freddy's, nothing like that. Shout out to Corey. But this game is too much. I don't know. I just need one fucking key, bro. Why am I playing this at this fucking hour? Is my real question, because I for real don't have no idea. Where's that damn key at? It cannot be downstairs. This is upstairs. Is this van a thing? No. I've not seen him at all. Bro, I'm just... No, that's the paper. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. I'm just going back and forth. No. Sugar Tunner. Oh lord. This is where I'm probably gonna die. I'm sorry for going so. Okay, let me pick up the pace. What did I just do? Oh nah, these corners are too short, bro. Hold up, because I'm probably cooked. Nah, boy. What the Dude! Oh my god, I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. Shoot! He got me. He got me in the corner. Okay, yeah, I'm done. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is too much. Okay, so yeah, we're definitely gonna play this again, but I just need some time because goddamn, this thing is crazy, man. This thing is crazy. Anyway, so now I found out what I need to do. I gotta find 3 keys and go back to that door. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you guys want more public combo games on the channel and a part 2 to this, because this thing is crazy, we definitely gonna play this again. Don't forget to punch, like, subscribe right now to 0 Spartans, and see you next video, my beautiful people.